Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how to burn your tokens safely and get free Solana from your wallet at soltokenburner.com. So we're going to go to soltokenburner.com, and once we're there, the first thing we want to do is we want to connect to our Phantom wallet. So we're going to enter our password, and then we can take a look at our balances and see what we want to burn and what extra tokens we have. So once we're connected to our wallet, in the website, we're going to click Select Wallet and choose your Phantom wallet from the list. And then it's going to scan your wallet for empty token accounts and what tokens you have. So one of the great things about Sol Token Burner is that it is an approved app in the Phantom app listing store. And you can see when you click on that there that it has passed all the safety checks and security checks to get this listing. So all the transactions that we're about to do are available on chain, and you can see that by clicking your wallet address in the top here, and it'll take us to SolScan, and you can verify everything that's in your wallet. You can see the 3 tokens that I have and my current balance, and every time we do a transaction, we'll be able to see it show up right here. So another quick tip I want to show you is how to check the value of the coins that you have. You can notice that this coin here, Greg, new GME employee, is actually a pump fund token because it has pump in the address. So if you copy this address and then we go to pumpfund.com, so once you're at pumpfund.com, you just click search and you paste the address into the search bar and the token will come up. Here it is, Greg. So we'll go to the market and just quickly check. So it is basically worthless, $3,800 market cap. But the reason why I want to show you this is because before you go ahead and burn your balance, you always want to make sure you know what you're burning. But check the value first, because if it has value, then don't burn it. Obviously, you can sell it here, connect your wallet on Pump Fund, and you can sell the tokens, and you'll get more money that way. So back at soltokenburner.com, I'm going to show you can burn a partial balance or you can burn the entire balance of any token that you have in your wallet. So with this Greg token, we saw that it's basically worthless, but I'll just show you that if you want, I can choose to just burn a partial balance. So let's say we just want to burn 6,000. Our current balance is 56,000, but let's just burn a partial amount. So we're going to enter the amount and click burn, and then we have to verify the transaction in our wallet. It's easy enough, and it's going to show you the network fee, which is really low, and we just click confirm on that, and then burn complete. It's as fast as that. Now the great thing is it'll show you the transaction and we can take a look at it on the blockchain right away, and you can see that it's already gone through, burned 6,000 right there. So that was a success. It's as easy as that. So the other feature we have is to burn the max amount, and if you click the max button for this coin, it's basically worthless as well, and we can go ahead and just burn them all at once. So you just click the max button, it's going to load all the coins that you have in the wallet, and you click burn, and you confirm the transaction again. Just notice the network fee, confirm everything, and you go ahead and do that. Sometimes it takes a minute, but burn complete. And then once again, you can check it on the blockchain. You can see burn 740, so that's done. So I showed you how to use the token burner to do partial amounts or maximum amounts for tokens in your wallet. The other feature we have is the cleaner, and I'm going to show you that next. So when you first go to soltokenburner.com, it'll scan your wallet as we mentioned, and it's going to show you how many vacant accounts you have. And these are 0 balance accounts, and it also tells you how many Solana you can reclaim by clearing those out. And the way you do that is you click on the cleaner or to claim the Sol. So it'll rescan, and it's going to show you all the accounts. And the great thing is we can do a few at a time. Sometimes if you go over 10, it doesn't quite work. So we'll start with 5, and we're just going to click that, and then we click confirm, and it'll send all the transactions through in a batch. And there we go. So what we can do is we can check the blockchain and take a look. If you click your address, it'll take you to the SolScan for your wallet, and you can see the most recent transactions. So 26 seconds ago, interaction, and you can see closed token account, closed token account. So we have 1, 2, 3. So we have 5. Yeah, so you can see all the Solana that we reclaimed, and it's all accurate. And so now when we click on our wallet, we'll be able to see how the balance has changed. So let's just go ahead and reclaim all our Solana. And it's pretty easy. You can do it pretty quickly. Just do 5 at a time. Click the burn tokens in the bottom left corner. You can actually see that down here. Burn tokens. And then we have to confirm the transactions again. Just make sure everything's right. Click confirm. It's going to process. We don't have to check. We know it's going to be on the blockchain. So we'll just do a bunch at a time here and just clean everything out. So that's how you can clean out all your empty accounts using the cleaner tool on soltokenburner.com. And you can check your balance, and you can see I now have $19. So that's not too bad. And you can see all of the transactions that have gone through there. So I've shown you how you can burn tokens using soltokenburner.com. You can burn partial amounts or full amounts, and you can clean out your empty accounts to reclaim your SOL. Click the link in the description below to go to soltokenburner.com to use this great tool. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and like, share, and subscribe to the videos.